Whoa, that's VTech, baby. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you can tell, today we're in Scrap Happy Land. We're getting Scrap Happy. Got my man Willie with us today. Give yourself a shout out, Willie. Go ahead. You want me to get you on a shout out? Oh man, there's Willie.
Yeah, out here scrapping with Scrap Daddy.
I'm getting spoiled today. These guys are getting me out of breath. I got two loaders. We got Brandon down there somewhere. Now, take a look.
Check out our pile.
Oh, there's my man Brandon. Now you may think we're at the scrap yard unloading, but no, that's the heap. We're loading up. Last time we went out was $9.50, $100. It's getting down in price. We got to hurry up and get on back to the scrap yard before the price go down too low. Oh yeah, tell them about your taco pipe, Billy. That was came off
yeah, we got the taco pipe. We just dug it out of Metal Mountain. And, you know, good friend Judas helped me do some car repairs, and the Taco 6 going to the scrap yard.
He tuned his Civic up right. We put a taco pipe on there. What did we do? Coils. We did
brake,
air filters, cabin air filters. We did everything that day. Brake job. That thing's tuning, baby. It's a tuner. Anyway, we're in the this is about a 26-foot or 28-foot truck. You can see we got the whole first I don't know, good solid 10-foot. We're at the sunroof. Take a look at Mount Scrapmore, and we're gonna get at it, and we'll get you back at it when we get to load. When we get this truck a little bit more packed up.
Scrapping out. It's out here scrapping. You know, really got the free range chickens out here. They love to scrap.
Oh, they're free rangers.
I seen a bird's nest in this scrap pile once.
Man, looking over this pile. Never know what you're gonna find up in here, man. It's a packed one.
I really think I'm stuck this time, dude.
Oh, dang, Willie, what happened?
I'm all tangled up in the middle.
I thought you were a landscaper. What happened?
Come on. Let me see here.
That Craftsman looks like it's got some bird dookie on it. Whew. That must be the perch.
This thing's coming off heavy.
Stacking and packing. It's about our third time backing up now.
Responsible for a broken tail light.
Oh man, don't bust up my tail lights now.
Ready?
Goddamn Bobby Boucher. Woo 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 woo, water boy. Now Willie trying to debate with me all day on Mount Scrapmore. He thinks he likes Metal Mountain better.
I think it's Mount Scrapmore better.
Well, no, you can't be in this vote. So let us know at home what you like, Mount Scrapmore or what you say, man.
I mean, this really comes down to a debate of the bro or the man's ear. You know, but let us know in the comments which one you like, Mount Scrapmore or Metal Mountain.
Yeah, man, you playing the music? Man, look how big this freaking pile is. We ain't even getting nowhere there yet.
Yeah, look how much wood is in that one.
Just give y'all a quick example here. This ain't no mini pile. This ain't your granddaddy's scrap pile. I'll tell you that right now.
Punch out a heavy load up in there.
It is a packed house.
Look at all them birds coming out the pile.
All right, well, we're going to have to start getting a piano harp. You going to be able to start flipping that? I'll be ready to help you out. Look, we got another piano, refrigerator. Ugh. That's a Volkswagen Golf.
Ooh, tailgates putting in some work on this heavy bastard.
Man, what you got there? A transmission you sending up? Whew. Scrapping ain't easy. Got a nice chunk taken out of there. Piano's gone.
Man, looks a little
Bobby's Boucher's lawnmower's loaded up.
Look, There's a little surprise inside for you.
So you can see the lawnmower, there's a piano, got that tier packed up. Not too far past the sunroof. There's our door.
These ones must be like winter. Slop in there.
Oh man, a little mud. That must have been the problem right there. You got a little mud in your transmission, sir. Trans lives matter, baby. Trans matter, baby. Don't matter when you get 950, 100, that's for sure.
Our cord cutter experts making an appearance. John, say hi for the scrap video. Ooh, good work there. Good work.
Harvesting the copper cord over there. Whew. Harvesting it. It's an absolute harvest season. Clap happy. Your forearm tired from snipping cords yet?
No.
Ooh, you must have had a good pair of cutters then. All right, you can see the sun's about to go down a little bit. Getting close to 5 o'clock. We're gonna call it quits here. One thing I got here is this old junky wood golf club with a bent shaft. Me and Willie gonna smack a couple into the pond. End the day. We'll be back at it tomorrow and top this truck off. All right, let's see if we can take old Woody, and we're just gonna try to light plop it right in the pond.
All right, first attempt. Let's see if you can plop them. Oh, and it's too far.
Overshot it.
Looking good.
A little too much pepper. All right, this one's definitely dropping in the pond. I'll go light this time. Oh, shit.
Ooh. Well, let Willie show you how it's done.
Can I hit the pond in 4 tries? I'll try to set it for
Hold
you.
on, autofocus. Okay, back.
All right, ready? Oh, God.
We let Willie show you how it's done.
In the water. Boom, a double splasher onto the ice.
Yeah.
We had a double splasher onto the ice.
All right, keep it rolling. Keep it rolling.
All right, keep it live. Keep it live.
All right.
Let me tee you up, Willie. Let me tee you up.
All right. So it took him about, I think, on attempt 5, he got it done.
Yeah, it was about 5.
Oh, Willie, show you how to get it
Yeah.
done. Try number 1.
Oh, swing master. All right, let's check it. Oh, golly, Willie.
Try number 1.
You must have cut too many cords today. That scrap might have wore him out. He's got shot forearms. Tired hands. Oh, that was looking good. Damn, I missed it. And did that drop?
Yeah, that was right up in.
I'm sorry, I missed it on the film. I'll have to try to even zoom in on the next one. All right, we'll see where our action shot's at. Well, we didn't see it on film, you know.
I'm gonna try to get
No,
the ice at the corner.
The critics don't think they're gonna count it. And we're up. Whoa, in the pond, you see it? Willie didn't get the shot. Let me bring y'all in. Yeah, we still rippling down there.
Put on your safety glass.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to watch, but hopefully we don't hit a.
Safety glass. I won't always come back off the fence.
Yeah, hit a fence post and get a ricochet. Whoa, damn. Oh, that's a foul tip. Whoa.
All right, 2 more. I'm gonna try.
All right, 2 more. We're getting bored, Willie. That first one was a slammer. Repeat that first one. Damn. Patty cake. Oh, did that whap in the pond?
I was in the woods.
Sound like it hit somebody in the head. That thing made a solid clunk.
It's hard to see because look at the sun.
Yeah, sun's coming down. It's the end of the day.
Last one. Sign out.
Last one of the day. Sign out action.
Damn, I smacked that one.
Oh, that one's gone. Get it out of here.
Damn, that's just good times, dude.
Shit.
Yeah.
Probably hit a groundhog out there.
Yeah, see
Hey,
what
look at that little old stinky skunk. He trapped them up. Where'd you have your trap at? Just right out here?
No, in the barn in there, there's a hole in the ground in there.
Well, what, he made himself all the way out to here?
No, I
Oh,
told him.
oh.
What it is, this trap on groundhogs are big, and it usually catches them right by the head and it kills them instantly. But a skunk is small, and he usually gets caught by the body. He was still alive last
Yeah, he
night.
does look like a little guy there.
And I shot, but that's a big fucking skunko. I shot him last night. You know, one time I caught one of them in the middle of winter time like this, and some bitch was full of ticks.
Huh.
That fucking buzzards love that sort of stuff. Tear his ass up.
It's a pile. It's a pile. Oh, he's getting swallowed in the Pappy's getting swallowed in the Scrappy. Oh man, avalanche. Started the day off with a dead skunk. Anyway, guys, here's an update. We're just getting past the door. We don't have our crew today, so this stuff's feeling twice as heavy. We're not as packed as last time. We got our truck loaded up with all the light iron. And now we're going to stack on some precious at the end here. We got 1, 2, well that's a double counter. We'll count that as 3, 4, 5, 6 tote bins of copper insulated cord, motor, a couple batteries to give you money for on the side. It's a nice chunk of aluminum. Pretty neat. I don't know what the heck this thing is, but it almost looks like the end of like a damn jet engine or something. Turbine. We got a couple more things of brass. We're going to get that stuff loaded up. Huh? And next time we see you guys, we'll be at the scrapyard unloading this stuff and hopefully getting a nice paycheck.
I think that's it.
All right, we got our precious off of there. I want to show you the cart real quick. There's our few batteries.
The refrigerator door's gonna fall out before we
Heavy brass, man. This thing's crazy heavy. A couple motors. And all those tote bins, we got our own bin. That's just all of our wires there. We're going to go ahead and see what this stuff cashes in for and then unload the light. Pulling up to the light iron pile now. This is a little bit heavier stuff. You can see some of that steel over there. But you can tell the price is good when the pile's high like that. That's pretty high for over here. You can see a couple of school buses they got. They're taking all apart.
I'm going over there. You trying to jump me with your goddamn little pickup? Back the fuck
Get
up.
that little pickup the funk out of here. They try to jump us, man. Had a pickup hauler try to jump us. You know he's only hauling about enough for a case of beer or something.
Yeah, look at that
We're
massive.
here for the mega payday. We're gonna try to break 1,000 today, guys. I know I got the light iron. It's not as heavy as last time we put 8,000 pounds on, but I would definitely say we got every bit of 7,400 at least. I don't know, but that's just a rough estimate. We'll see what happens. I'm gonna go ahead and chuck this stuff off here in the pile. There it is. The truck's empty. Just even count all the bins we had loaded up with little scraps of metal. Go ahead and take a look at our massive pile, guys. If you remember when we started, they were just kicking off that fresh shelving. That's all us. All right, we're back from the pit. We're back with the cash and slips. Got a couple nice hoodies. Nice hoodies they gave us. Here was our $10 slip for the batteries, okay?
Okay.
So we had 10 for the batteries. Now I forget what I said. I was thinking around 7,000 some pounds we put on here, right? And we were a little high on that, 7,700. That's pretty good. But we're down to $9 a hundred, where last time we was at $9.50. So should be basically $700 there. 7 even.
700 even.
700. So last time we had got 800, but we had a little bit more weight on there. Now this is our precious metals here. I know if I look at our slip totals here, is this the, holy shit, man. Yeah, you had some brass. Look, just insulated wire, guys. We had $200 in just insulated wire. You had 225 in yellow brass. That's real nice. That must be copper at that price, 179. Holy moly, look at that total in precious, guys. 695. So 7 and 7 is 14. I don't mind being wrong. Anytime you bet on the money and you're low, that's a good day. About $1,400 total, but really he's got 200 some with his brass, precious brass on the side. But you know, maybe the driver will get a cut of that. Hey guys, what's going on? Me and my dog, we're just taking a little road trip here. I'm heading up north to about Jackson, New Jersey. We're going to go take a look at a YZ 250. It's supposed to be an 89.
The guy said he did take the top end off, so it's going to need a new top end. I think he's asking about $1,000 for it right now, but it looks pretty good. One reason why I kind of like this bike, and I'm going to take a look at it, is 89 kind of went all white plastics, and it looked like it had a blue frame or something different. So I thought it looked pretty cool. Maybe we can rebuild this bike, bring it back to life. He's asking about $1,000. Let's see if we can make a deal today. Hopefully he'll take maybe around 700, something like that. Anyway, I'll catch you guys on the back side. Hopefully we'll have a bike in the back of that truck. All right, guys, here we go. Heading back. You can see we got old number 7 back there. So we picked up the bike.